The 2nd of February 2020, is a palindromic date in both 2-digit day, 2-digit month, and 4-digit year format, and 2-digit month, 2-digit day and 4-digit year format. There are 12 palindrome days in the 21st century in 2-digit month, 2-digit day and 4-digit year format. The first one was on October 2, 2001, and the last one will be on September 2, 2090. February 2, 2020 is the only 2-digit month and day palindromic date that will occur in the 21st century. The next occurrence of a 2-digit month and day palindromic date will be December 12, 2121, which is exactly 101 years from the last occurrence. 101 is also a palindrome. Between the years 3030 and 9090, exactly 1010 years separate each occurrence of a 2-digit month and day palindromic date. Today, we're writing a method that receives a date in 2-digit month and day format, and the number of years to scan, and returns an array containing palindromic dates in 2-digit month and day format that are palindromic in both 2-digit day and month and 2-digit month and day format.
First, let's instantiate an array list, named results, that will contain the list of dates that meet our criteria. Next, we instantiate a simple date format containing the 2-digit month and day format. Next, we define a string array, named dateParts, that contains the parts of the incoming date separated by the /. We then define two calendar instances, original date and new date. Next, we set the date on the original date and the new date calendars to the value of the incoming date. Next, we increment the original date by the number of years specified by the incoming parameter, years. While the new date is not equal to the original date, the new date calendar is incremented by 1 day. Next, we store the formatted date value from the new date calendar in a string variable, named strdate. Next, we call the palindromic date helper method, which determines if the date is palindromic in both month, day format and day, month format. Inside the palindromic date method, first, a string array is defined, named parts, that contains the parts of the incoming date separated by a /. Next, a string is defined, named no/, that contains the incoming date, with all /s removed. Next, the result of the evaluation of the incoming date, without /s, reversed, equals the incoming date, without slashes, which indicates the date in month, day, year format, is a palindrome, and the incoming date, in day, month, year format, reversed, equals the incoming string, without slashes, is returned to the calling method. Back inside the calling method, if the call to the palindromic date helper method returns true, the strdate is inserted into the results array list, otherwise, the while loop continues evaluating and processing each date. Upon completion of the loop, the results array list is converted to an array and returned to the caller.
If you want to see more cool videos like this, please, subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, and comment below. Thank you for watching.
And we'll see you in the next episode of
Wow! How'd you code that?